All new at 4:30 with the Supreme Court decision on abortion rights now reverting to the states. We are bringing in the experts to discuss what this means for us here in the Carolinas. Right now, I'm joined by Professor Theodore Shaw of the UNC School of Law. Thanks so much for being here with us. First off, with abortion access no longer being a constitutional right, what does that actually mean in practice for people here in the Carolinas?
Well, it means that, as it does elsewhere around the country, that the question of abortion availability is one that reverts back to the states. We already know that many states are taking very aggressive and draconian steps to make abortion impossible. But it also means that absent some action by Congress on the federal level, there is going to be much less protection for women who seek to control their reproductive abilities. So it means that we've lost federal constitutional protection for women in North Carolina, as it does around the country, with respect to abortion access.
Being a legal expert, were you surprised by this ruling?
No. First of all, none of us was surprised after the leak occurred a month or so ago. But even beyond that, this Supreme Court, this version of the Supreme Court, which was engineered by Mitch McConnell and the last president of the United States, and has been a project of conservatives for now 50 years. This Supreme Court is the most conservative Supreme Court we've seen in our lifetime. And I think it's become abundantly clear that this is a court that's not going to be restrained by respectful precedent. So no, I was not surprised. I don't think anybody should have been. And frankly, I was perplexed is the kindest way of saying when I saw some of the comments by senators who voted for some of these late appointments to the Supreme Court to seats that could have and should have been filled by President Obama.
I'm sure you are not alone in that thinking. Professor Shaw, thanks so much for your insight and joining us here for the News at 4.